Hi, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to our quick guide on the benefits of gas inserts. If you're looking to enhance your home's heating efficiency and ambiance, gas inserts are a fantastic option. Gas inserts are designed to fit into your existing fireplace structure, transforming it into a high-efficiency heating system. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. With just a push of a button or flip of a switch, you can enjoy the warmth and comfort of a real flame without the hassle of traditional wood-burning fireplaces. Gas inserts are known for their energy efficiency. They provide consistent heat output while significantly reducing energy consumption and improving indoor air quality. These inserts are not only functional but also stylish. With a range of designs to choose from, they seamlessly integrate into any home decor, adding a touch of elegance. Safety is a top priority. Gas inserts come with built-in safety features like gas leak detectors and safety barriers to prevent accidental contact. And don't forget about maintenance. Gas inserts require less upkeep than wood-burning fireplaces, but regular cleaning and annual inspections ensure they operate efficiently and safely. Whether you're upgrading your existing fireplace or installing a new one, choosing the right gas insert can enhance your home's heating efficiency, reduce maintenance, and add a modern touch to your living space. Discover the benefits of gas inserts and make your home a cozy, energy-efficient haven. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips on home improvement.